Welcome back class 7. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, decimal. So there is a point that is called decimal. Clear? Like this. Full stop like जैसे हमारा full stop होता है. See here. It is decimal. If we have number and in between the number there is a full stop like this, it is called decimal in mathematics terms. Now we are going to discuss about the type of decimal. There is like decimal and unlike decimal. Clear? So decimal having the same number of decimal places are called like decimal. If there are two numbers or three numbers that have equal digit after decimal, that numbers are called like decimal. Like decimal numbers. Unlike decimal number, decimal with different number of decimal places are called unlike decimal. Like this here, it is 4.6. How many digits? 1 digit after decimal. Here 2 digit after decimal. Here 3 digit after decimal. In that condition, every number has different places after decimal, so it is called unlike decimal. Clear? Let's start the exercise. So here question number first is saying that convert each of the following into like decimal. See here, I have copied question from here. Clear? And convert each of the following into like decimal. Firstly, we have to see here, is it like or unlike? So see here, it is 1 digit after decimal here. Here 3 digit after decimal. In this number 2 digit after decimal, and in this number 1 digit after decimal. And we have to convert these number in a like decimal. So for it, we will write 3 digit after every decimal. So for it, we can increase only 0 like this. It has also 3 digits, so we don't do anything from it to it, and we will write as it as for it. Now here 13 0 5 again 0. Here 30.5 0 0. See carefully. Now how many number after decimal? 1 2 3. Here 1 2 3. Here 1 2 3. Here 1 2 3. It means now these numbers are like decimal. Now these numbers are like decimal. अब ये नंबर जो है like decimal है. Clear? Now these numbers are like decimal. Same as आपको B, C and D को करना है. It's mean आप देखेंगे सबसे ज़्यादा डेसिमल नंबर किसके बाद में है, फिर आप उसी के हिसाब से जीरो बढ़ा देंगे. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट डेसिमल के बाद हम लोग जीरो इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं, बट डेसिमल के पहले कभी भी जीरो इंक्रीज नहीं करते हैं. क्लियर? Now second question is saying that convert each of the following into a decimal. So for it, firstly I have written here question. Firstly we will write, I will do here rough work. What you do in your rough notebook. Here it is 8. We know that 8 3s are 24. Right? What is remaining? 1. Increase 1 0 here, 1 point here, and increase 0 here. Now 8 1s are 8. 1s are will came here. What is remaining now? 2. And we have put here 0. Sorry, we have put here decimal, so we can increase here 0. Now again 8 2s are 16. 2s are will came here. Again what is remaining? 4 0. And 8 5s are 15. 8 5s are 40. And nothing remainder. So it will be 3.125. Clear? This is your rough work. Do it in your rough notebook. Clear? Now here again see 22 25 2s are 50. 50 and 2 52. So 52 upon 25. Again I have done here rough work 52 and in bracket 25. Now here 25 2s are 50. What is remaining? 2. Now increase 0.0, but it is not enough. Now increase 0 here and increase 0 also here. Now it is 200. We know that 25 8s are 200. Clear? Nothing remaining here. and we will write here like this 2.08. This is the value of this. इस डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन की ये वैल्यू है. क्लियर. सेम एज इसकी फ्रैक्शन की वैल्यू ये हो गई. सेम एज आपको फाइंड आउट करनी है बी, सी, डी एंड ई. क्लियर. Question number 3 is saying that arrange the following decimal in ascending order. So in ascending order, firstly we write smallest number, then greater, and at the last greatest number. So firstly we have to convert these number in like decimal. So for it, converting like decimal, see carefully how many digit after decimal. 1 here, here also 1, here 2, and here 2. So we have to increase 0 here and here like this. Now see carefully. All digits have 2 decimal after this. Now decimal place is equal. Yes. Now see carefully. It is 7 and it is 7 again. After decimal it is 70. It means 70. Here it is 07. So it is bigger and it is smaller. Now we will compare these two numbers. Here both number has 0 before decimal, and after decimal it is 70. It is 7. So we will write this number firstly, this number first time. So 07. After that this number on the second position, 0.70. Now after that this number on the third position, 7.07. Now at the last this is on the last position. Clear. And this is how we will find our ascending order. Clear. Same as you will do B, C and D. Firstly you convert all these unlike decimal in like decimal. After that you will compare, and after comparison you will find out the right position of them. After this what we have increased, जो भी हमने इंक्रीज किया था उसे डिक्रीज कर देंगे like this. 0.07 ऐसे ही रहेगा. Now here we increase 0, so we will write like this. After here we have not increased anything here, same as write कर देंगे. Here we have increased 0, so we will write like this. And this is our last answer. Clear. ये हमारा फाइनल आंसर हो जाएगा. Now we are going to the next question. Arrange the following decimal in descending order. I have copied the question. Firstly we will convert these numbers in like decimal. So firstly count how many. Here 2 digit after decimal, here 3 digit after decimal, 1 digit after decimal, and 2 digit after decimal. So in every number we will write 3 digit after decimal. So for it we increase 0. I have increased 0 here. It became 630. We have already 3 digit here, so we don't do anything to it. Again here it has 1 digit after decimal, so I have increased here 20 and make 3 digit here. Same as here, it is 1 digit after decimal, I have written here 20. Clear. Now we will compare these numbers. We have to write in descending order. In descending order we will write bigger number. So it is 80 and it is 80. That one is bigger than 8. Clear. Now after 80 we will compare decimal number. Here decimal number is 200 and here decimal number is 2 only. So we will write here this one on the first place, this one on the second place. Now we will compare these two numbers. Here it is 8 and after decimal 600. Here it is 8 and after decimal is it is 630. वैसे हम लोग इसको बोलते नहीं है 630, ठीक है. We have to say that 630 and 600, बट आपको समझाने के लिए मैं ऐसा कर रही हूँ. क्लियर. सो इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग, थर्ड नंबर पे आएगा, ये हमारा लास्ट नंबर पे आएगा 4. क्लियर. नाउ राइट हियर 80.20 अगेन 80.002 again 8.630, again 8.600. Now whatever we increased, we have to decrease. So I have increased 20 here, I will decrease. I have do nothing here, I will write it as it is. Here I have increased 10, so I will remove that. Again I have here increased 20, I will remove this. जीरोज हम इसलिए बना रहे हैं ताकि हम लोगों को इजी हो जाए फाइंड आउट करने में विच नंबर इज ग्रेटर और विच नंबर इज लेसर. सो दिस इज अवर फाइनल आंसर. हेयर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, वी डोंट डू दिस, इसे नहीं करेंगे हम लोग. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, कन्वर्ट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इनटू फ्रैक्शन. इट्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म, इसके सिंपल फॉर्म में हमें कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है. नाउ हियर इज, ये किस में हमें कन्वर्ट करना है? फ्रैक्शन में. क्लियर. नाउ इट इज 0.6. I have copied here 0.06. When we remove, firstly count how many digits after decimal. 1, 2, 2 na. So we will increase, we will write 100 because 100 had 20. Clear? Because 100 has 20, so we will write 100 and remove this decimal. We will write it like this, 6/100. Now divide by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Clear? And this is the simplest fraction. सेम एज आपको सॉल्व करना है B, C एंड D. यहाँ पे अपॉन में आप 10 लिखेंगे, यहाँ 100 लिखेंगे एंड यहाँ पे आप 1000 लिखेंगे. और उसके बाद से अगर सॉल्व आउट हो रहा है, डिवाइड हो रहा है किसी नंबर से, तो आप डिवाइड करेंगे. क्लियर? लाइक दिस you will complete your exercise and send me your homework on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.